Welcome to this shortwave radio channel. And, well, of course, I talked to you about my Yaesu transceiver being connected to the end-fed antenna here. This is the half-wave end-fed, that is the standard wire that comes with this. And, of course, I had transformed this into a V by going into that tree. Now, notice that there are branches missing. Well, they actually decided to, at first they wanted to cut the tree. Now they decided just to cut some branches, and of course one of those branches had my second wire for the V. So now of course that wire was cut down when they cut the branch. Now the question I'm asking myself actually, and I will be actually using just the simple wire to see how it performs, because I did a full day yesterday. I was easily contacting Ukraine, Bulgaria. I contacted Russia, SSB Voice. I made all the 13 colonies contacts, and I was using just this simple wire. So I'm wondering, is there really a need for the second wire for the V? I'm not sure, and I'm not convinced that it improved anything. On the listening side, it seems to be pretty much the same. So for now, I'll actually use it as it is, as it was supposed to be. And we'll decide what I do next. Should I or not, will I actually change this? So sorry for the noise, but my neighbor is actually cutting all the trees there to make sure that they are nice and beautiful. So anyways, this will be what I'm going to be using. I'll be using the simple end-fed as it is designed, and it's still my transceiver still actually can tune from 80 meters to 6 meters with it. So for now, I think this is what I'm going to be doing, and we'll see the end result. But for now, I've been doing great contacts with just a simple wire. I guess I could just keep it like that and see what happens. If not, I don't know. I was thinking of what can I do as an experiment to maybe see if I can improve things. This is part of amateur radio, experimenting with antennas and stuff. So anyways, it makes the backyard a lot cleaner with that tree cut. We'll see what's going to be happening soon with that, and I'll see if I decide or not to change that configuration or not, or keep it the way it is. So that's the latest news on my end-fed, which is now a simple end-fed. It's no more a V-shaped antenna. And I was listening to the BBC World Service 12095 last night. It was coming in great, as if nothing had changed. So that's where I'm not totally convinced that having the extra wire did improve or not anything. We'll see. The only thing I want to do, and I might be doing this week, is this will be, I'll put it twice as high. I'll put the other end higher to try to make it more as a wire rather than a kind of a sloper as it is right now. So a few things coming up. We'll see what happens. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.